Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lamb burritos. First, gather all your fresh ingredients and prepare your workspace for a smooth cooking experience. We will start by creating a flavorful lamb filling, then move on to assembling and cooking your burritos. This easy method ensures a tasty meal with minimal fuss, perfect for any day of the week. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic homemade dish. Let's begin with the star of our burrito, the lamb filling. Start by browning 1 pound of ground lamb in a large skillet over medium heat until it's fully cooked through. Once done, carefully drain any excess fat to keep your burritos light and flavorful. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of your favorite taco seasoning and 1/4 cup of water. Let this simmer gently until the liquid has mostly reduced and the flavors are well combined. Now for the fun part, assembling your burritos. First, warm 8 large flour tortillas according to package directions. This makes them pliable and easy to roll. Spread a thin, even layer of refried beans over each tortilla. Then, spoon about 1/2 cup of your delicious lamb filling down the center. Finally, add your favorite toppings, such as shredded cheddar cheese, fresh salsa, or chopped onions, before rolling them up tightly. To finish, fold the short sides of each tortilla inward, then roll it up tightly from one long side to the other, creating a neat package. Heat a small amount of oil in a skillet over medium heat. Place the burritos seam side down and pan fry for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are golden brown and crispy. Serve your easy lamb burritos immediately with a dollop of sour cream, a side of guacamole, or extra salsa for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.